Hey, check this out, guys. Here is a 3-point hitch on the front of a tractor. And not only is it a 3-point hitch, but it has the PTO shaft on the front too. Now, I don't know much about big agriculture, so I need some of you guys who do to help me out here. What would this tractor be used for as far as 3-point on the front, and what makes this better than having a front end loader? Now here's a little tractor that I really enjoyed looking at. It's by Coyote. He has a cab with climate controls and stuff on it. I got in it and stuff. It was really comfortable. I really enjoyed it. But if you really want a good impression on it, you need to watch the feature that Tractor Time with Tim did on it. If I can find that video, I'm going to put it in my description box down below, because trust me, after he got done with it, it made me wish I could buy it. If I had the money, I would. But I mean, it was a cool little tractor. It has climate controls in it. You can get a radio and stuff put in it. But like I said, if I could buy it, I would. But that's just not going to happen right now. But man, this was
I like the looks of that seat.
Incredibly nice tractor.
This one's got a, yep. It's about
Now, I wouldn't have much use for a backhoe, but I think if I had one, I'd want it set up where I could just turn my regular seat around. Now, I bet this bad boy would have a hard time getting it stuck in the mud. Take a look at that for all them tracks. Imagine being able to put that on your vehicle. Now, do these remind anybody else of the old Willys Jeeps?
Just a 40 horsepower tractor.
Steph said if she could sit on this, she'd let me bring it home.
Only if it's mine and not yours.
Oh man, it is Valentine's Day. Well, yesterday.
I guess no tractor today, guys.
Probably got more PTO horsepower, I have to say. Man, that's a cool looking seat.
Now, this was another tractor I really liked the feel of. That having a joystick right there by where your hand is makes it nice for the loader work and stuff too. I think a lot of us trying to go to that now, and it makes it a little bit easier. you think Steph would know if this tractor followed me home? You know, I've heard a lot of YouTube personalities talking bad about Mahindra and stuff, but when you sit around and get a chance to actually compare them, I actually really like them. You know, they complain about them being simple, but honestly, I like the simple. It amazes me how computerized hay balers are getting now. They're turning in just to be one big computer anymore. It's no wonder stuff keeps getting more and more expensive.
Oh, you're good. No, you're fine.
Here you go, a stump grinder and a wood chipper side by side. Now here's something I'd like to ride on just once and see what it's like, a little stand-on skid steer. I've seen these things advertised before. I think several different people make one, but man, they're really cool. You imagine sitting there using that to plow your driveway. I think that'd be pretty good because you can get all kinds of different attachments for these things. So I think I would enjoy it.
It's not a bad one either. Oh, wow. I actually kind of like this one. Oh, you're good. Vermeer makes a good product, but they take a lot of horsepower on their stuff too. My tractor couldn't run one.
How many of you's ever seen a self-propelled baler? I mean, take a look at this thing. Couldn't get in the cab, unfortunately. They had it locked up, so we couldn't get in there. But overall, it is still kind of cool, even with the net wrap on the back of it. I mean, who wouldn't want to try this out just once? A coyote statue made out of coyote parts. And look who I got to meet on this day, Mr. Tractor Time with Tim himself. For those of you ain't seen his show, I'm going to put a link to a video he put out about that one coyote tractor that I liked, and you can be directed to his channel through that video.